What's going on, y'all? ACS and we final video on this LS box Chevy, man. So it's done for the most part. I gotta put the interior back together. Well, the seats, the back seats, and everything have been in. Took the courtesy light fuse out, so I almost ran the battery while I was working with the door open. But hold on. Yeah, the back of the car back together, been back together. So let the battery charge for a little bit while I put the fuse covers on. But yeah, back one right there, front one is on the table. It's on the table. So I put all that back together. All the little stuff that I can. I ain't trying to spend too much time. We're trying to make some footage to give y'all the last break-in video. This is where the front cover go. I put all that back on. I said, this thing beefy, man. 2 runs. I'm definitely doing 2 with my shit. Got to. But some time lapse, y'all, while I get this done. Y'all stay tuned, man.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P. Cop new hammers for my beat. We don't want no peace. Got a spot at puff spot. J for peace. Drop the dot and now we plant. Beside the piece. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a P. Push a P. On capital P, I rock the president. Count president. Portuguese on her knees. Mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave. Cause she keep the P. Private speak, privacy. Bitch, I'm the next day.
Motivation for the streets. You say the wiring look good. You good. I'm just recording you rolling out.
I ain't got that for the music.
I ain't got what? Just connect your Bluetooth.
Come on, I gotta plug it back up.
Ah, should be. Oh, don't tell me something will happen.
Okay.
Nah, it should be on. The key on. Lord have mercy. In there. Hey, I see it.
All I need is my drugs. Let it magic
Hey, you see it? Full of feet. You said what?
I knew that bitch gonna be hitting, bro. I ain't thought that bitch gonna be hitting like that. Bro, that bitch I hit the 315, bro.
Man,
I ain't bullshitting, bro.
hey, it's all, you got all the right stuff. That's why I'm telling you, if you put that line drive on there, the epicenter, shit. Oh, you ain't be just sitting here.
I'm about to need that bitch.
Well, I was telling you, you might want it, you might not, but you can't even sit in the car.
You can't even sit in the car, bro. You can't even sit in the car. I don't even want this shit to come on when I turn this bitch on.
Making my stomach hurt, man. Oh, man.
You know what? I don't want this shit to come on when I plug them up.
Nah, you just turn the knob all the way down. And then turn the radio all the way down. Man, this thing so OG, the damn antenna coming out.
Bro, that shit scary.
Man, real pressure. They talking about, yeah, the trunk just rattling. I'm like, man, it's really moving air. Like, real deal moving air.
Bro.
Everything from the port coming right in the car. Going home. Take me a nice thumbnail, nice picture. Give me a second. What's up, man? I'm about to close y'all out. I ain't give y'all a proper close out, but he moving air from the trunk. Not many people could do that. Like, it's cool. Vibration and pressure is different. I mean, in that car, that bass is gonna tingle your chest and throat. that motherfucker is hitting. It's hitting. And anybody who know pressure, you can tell from the second video with the trunk breaking in that a ported box got to have some pressure to do that. It's easy to do that stuff with a sealed box because it's sealed. It's real easy. But ain't no pressure behind it. You got noise, but you got bass. It's banging, but you ain't got no pressure behind it. You know, so I just want to clear that up, like I said. And then everybody asking, hey, what I need to do? I want to hit like that. You can move like that, but it won't be as much pressure. So you got like two different lanes. He wanted pressure. So he built his own system also. He said he kind of overbuilt it. He didn't expect he was going to do all that. I told him, I said, man, 8K, what you expected? In this port, what you expected? I knew it was going to hit from the start. When I first seen it, I told him, I said, when you first dropped it off, and I looked at you, and I looked at the stuff, and I asked what you was trying to do. He ain't expect no chipping or nothing. I said, man, you finna tear the car up. Everything coming to loose. But, man, he just texted me this morning. He said, man, I don't even want to go to work, man. I want to just play with the car all day. I said, man, that'd be crazy, man. I love when everybody get their car back. Everybody be happy, man. And I just be carless. But I'm down to my last. I'll be down to my last 2 cars on Friday. I'm not taking nothing, man. I got a big surprise for y'all coming soon. For the real supporters and everybody that been wanting us to work on our own cars. Got a real surprise coming for y'all. So I want y'all to drop in the comments what y'all think it is. And then if somebody guess it, I'm gonna tell y'all got it right. But to the end, I'm just bust the video out on it. And then can't be out the bag. But we go ahead add this to the video, and then I'm finna save it. Put it out there for y'all. SES, man, I'm out.